One very interesting thing that they have introduced this year is the Part B evaluation criteria. There will be two different evaluators for Part B. So these two different examiners, after they evaluate the same set of questions, if the variation between their marks that they have allotted is greater than or equal to 20, that means there will be a third expert examiner who would be coming out. He or she would also evaluate Part B. So this is hopefully after a lot of complaints. This is happening probably because a lot of complaints were raised in the last few years that Part B evaluation was not going on correctly, or there are lots of complaints that were raised regarding the Part B evaluation, because Part B is something that's subjective, that has a lot to do with drawing, design, sketching and things like that. There are also other criteria that they have mentioned in Part B evaluation which you can go through.